Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about how I get new business and manage them. When we search this on Google, the basic thing we will search the exact result of what we want to study. The new business starting, check out new business starting. The second one is in this description we will see find new business starting, search faster, better and smarter at Zepmate. Zep Meta now find new business starting out 100,000 plus results. We have there 1,000 plus results on Google about how to start a new business, how to manage them. Now we will study about how do I start my own business. How can we start a new business? We will search these. First, we will study about the Zito website. We can say the number one project management tool. Try now for free, watch the demo. You have many things to study about for free. How can we start business? Start an online business, start a 14, you can see a 14-day trial, 15-day trial, 1 month trial to how to start a business. But it's all depend upon your mind. A step-by-step guide to start a business. To run a successful business, how to start a Joshua Stowers. In this, he tell about how to starting a new small business, find out where to begin and how to achieve success. You want to make sure you prepare thoroughly before starting a business, but realize that things will almost certainly go awry. To run a successful business, you must adopt to change situations. Conducting in-depth market research on your field and demographics of your potential clientele in an important part of crafting. Before you start selling your product or service, you need to build up your brand and getting a following of people who are ready to jump with you open a door for business. This article is for entrepreneurs who want to learn the business steps to start a new business. Now we have some points. We will study that refining your idea, define why. If you are thinking about starting a business, you likely already have an idea of what you want to sell online, or at least the market you want to enter, or a quick search for existing companies in your chosen industry. Learn what current brand leaders are doing, figure out how you can do it better. If you think your business can deliver something other companies don't, or deliver the same thing only faster and cheaper, you have got a solid idea and are ready to create a business plan. Define your why you want to start a business. In the word of Simon Sinek, always start with why. Glenn Gutek, CEO of Awake Consulting Coaching, to told Business News Daily, it is good to know why you are launching your business. In this process, it may be wise to differentiate between whether the business serves a personal why, a marketplace why. When your why is focused on meeting a need in the marketplace, the scope of your business will always be larger than a business that is designed to serve a personal need. Consider freelancing. Free franchising. Consider franchising. Same like freelancing is also a big field nowadays. Consider franchising. Another option is to open a franchise of an established company. The concept, brand following and business models are already in place. All you need is a good location and the means to fund your operation. Essential tools to start your website for 2021. Choosing the right solution for your website is time consuming. Business.com look at the dozens of options to come up with the following recommendations. Bluehost, web.com, domain.com. Bluehost is mainly website domain and hosting. Web.com, web and website and professional services. Same as domain.com, website domain and hosting. You can visit their sites also. Brainstorm your business name. Regardless of your option it's vital to understand the reasoning behind your idea. Stephen on of your business by designing a former director of operations and women business programs at Convocation Center cautions entrepreneurs against writing a business plan or brainstorming a business name before nailing down the idea's value. This is all we will study today in this video. Subscribe my channel.